Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Atif Tech. So today we are going to search for an app and tell you about this app and give you a demo. So Google Earth, Google Earth. So here it is. So this is app. So find satellites images of any location, discover cities and mountains with tours. This app for hashtag 4 top free in travel and local maps and navigations maps. So 4.4 star rating, 2 million views, rated for 3 plus, 100 million plus downloads. So here are some images, and this is Paris and this is Japan. So another pic. So this is USA and Uluru. So these are the pics. Data safety. Safety starts with understanding how developers collect and share your data. Data privacy and security parasites may vary based on your use, region, and age. The developer provides this information and may update it over time. No data shared with third parties. This app may collect these data types, location, personal info, and 6 other. Data is encrypted in transit. You can request that data be deleted. So 4.5 star rating and 2 million views, and here are some reviews. And here, so go up. Let's have a look of this app. So welcome screen, and here is our earth. And if you want anything, uh, so this is some app, Angela and Zambia. So search for USA, and here is Germany, and take a look at Germany. And this is Germany, more I can view. And this is a country and city of Germany, and there it is. And if you want to watch this app 3D, so search for New York, and New York, and here it finds the city for us. And here's New York. So zoom in, and this is New York City Hall Park, and this is all the city New York. And here it is, here it is. Here you can watch this city full, and here it is, Long Island and Riverhead. So just an amazing app. Download it if you want. And so let's take a look at Antarctica. Oh sorry, this is Greenland. Here is this ice, no living. And what is this? I don't know. Go back, and here if you want to search, and if you want to search for USA and United States, country in North America, and here it is, United States America. So here it is, it is a closer look, and here it is, Ocala, many more countries. And let's take a look at Las Vegas, and here it is. Let's go to Paradise, and here it is, Paradise 3D view. and 18% accuracy, and here it is. So here's something about this app. So this app is related to if you want to search any place or location you want to see through satellites and images of this and want to find a way. So my experience with this app is very good. I show you to download this app, and for more videos and for more technical videos subscribe to our channel Atif Tech. So goodbye, next meet in next video.